Welcome today in front of me your Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration here. Now we can see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to unmute our device ringtone we should swipe this dot to the left side with the finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in the advanced settings in volume button function we got selected ringtone volume, not the media one. So if you got selected the media, switch it to the ringtone. And now just by using the volume buttons here on the left side of the device, you should press the down volume button, and by this way we'll also mute our device ringtone. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press the up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then just with your finger slide to the down this volume panel, and by this way you can also mute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, now don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.